A lot of these new motorcycles, you know, the newer super bikes, super sports, even some of the other bikes and some of the dual sports come with a quick shifter or the ability to add a quick shifter to the bike. I have it on my Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. As you guys know, I purchased that bike several months ago. It's a 2017. It has a quick shifter. My other bikes, you know, my Honda CBR 1000 RR, you know, my WR 250R, and of course this 2019 YZ450 FX. They don't have a quick shifter. It's a standard shifting on it. So I'm fixing to tell you
why a quick shifter is overrated. Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
Yeah, I see some fun over here, guys. It's time to get a little bit of slide action. Have some fun out here on my SuperMoto. Yes, most fun bike in the garage for me, baby. I love it. Yeah, baby. Cut that light on, make sure I got my street legal stuff on so cops don't bother me. And let's go over here and get some slide action over here. That's what's cool about the dual sport, baby. Get some slide action. Woo! And get back on the road. Woo! Thing rides like a bat out of hell, baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But I'll tell you guys, honestly, I don't see what the fuss is with the quick shifter, man. Oh, man. You know what I'm saying? It's all right for the street. I still say you don't need a quick shifter, man. I think it's cool, you know, but sometimes when I get on my Tuono, I'll blip the throttle. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. And this thing grips. I love it, baby. Good times. Woo! Oh man, this bike is sick. But I'll tell you, I like blipping the throttle, man. I like standard shifting. I don't know. I've been doing it so long, it's like it's muscle memory. I do it without even thinking, man. Let's see if I can mess around over here. I don't get stuck. Woo! There's some slide action up in here. Slide action up in here. Damn, this thing looks like a bat out of hell. Woo! Oh boy, I feel like the Dukes of Hazzard up here on a motorcycle. Having a good old time out here. And I love blipping that throttle, baby. I like it on the street. I don't care. I like doing a rev matching. I don't care, man. On the Tuono, you don't need to switch gears that fast on the street, man. On the track, yes. On the street, no. If the bike has it, cool. If your bike doesn't have it but has the ability to add it, don't add it unless you go to the track. It's unnecessary, man. You know what I'm saying? I know some of you guys are going to clown on me, CycleCruza, man. What are you talking? Quick shifter is where it's at, dude. You're talking old. You know what I'm saying, man? You got to get with the times. Got to get you a quick shifter, dude. Yeah. You hear that? Rap, 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 rap. Ha ha. I love it, baby. But I do just fine, man. I don't need a quick shift out here on the streets. And And I tell you, like I say, when I get on my Tuono, I start to blip in the throttle because I forget that it's got the Quickshifter. I don't pay attention to it. Some of you guys call me out on that. CycleCruza, you don't need a blip throttle, man. You got the Quickshifter on the Tuono. You can always cut the Quickshifter off, I believe, on the Tuono. You can cut it off. But I tell you, I mean, I'm not trying to race anybody out here. I'm just out here having fun, man. You know? Why waste money on something that's unnecessary? And you could probably shift nearly as fast out here on the street. Yeah, the track, if you're racing, man, when you're trying to reduce lap time. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, baby. I tell you, this bike is awesome on the highway too, man. Some of you guys asked me about highway performance. I did a video on it, by the way, and I really ripped on it. Got it to 100. It goes up to 105, and it gets there quick, boy. 105. You don't have no problems with passing power on this bike on the highway, man. It rips. I'm not gonna take this bike on the highway, you know, long distance. You know what I'm saying? Try to burn it out. But I do a few stops on it, you know, no problem. If I'm downtown Cleveland, I can jump on the highway with this bike and ride home to the suburbs, no problems, man. The thing, I tell you guys, got all the passing power you need out here. So I tell you though, a lot of cops let me slide with this bike, man. I've ripped this bike in my WR past a couple of cops before, and they let me slide. I don't know what it is. I'm telling you, dirt bikes, they don't really bother you out here in Ohio, man. It's the super bikes. They don't like the super bikes out here, man. They like to give them tickets because a lot of them police officers, they ride cruisers, they ride hogs, Harley Davidsons out here, man. So they have a disdain for super sports and super bikes. Now there is a small percentage of police officers that do ride super bikes, but very small out here in Ohio. Everybody rides Harleys out here, baby. But for those of you guys who want to get my gear, like this neck brace, my airbag that keeps me safe on my super sport, my helmet, my gloves, leather jackets, cameras, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. Or go to my website, CycleCruza.com, click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.